would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to this exciting course on SAP S/4HANA financial accounting, the financial close. We're going to look at these topics, which span from general ledger master data, posting of general ledger entries, manage journal entries, manage recurring entries, clear general ledger accounts, currency exchange rates, period end activities, advanced valuation processes, and reporting. So, why is this course meant for you? And what is this course about? So, the financial close refers to the process of completing all the necessary accounting tasks and finalizing financial statements. And that includes the processes like reconciling accounts, adjusting entries, preparing financial reports, and ensuring that all financial transactions are accurately recorded and classified. So this is a real SAP S/4HANA system demo where we'll be getting into the system and we'll move together from screen to screen, explaining how SAP S/4HANA can unlock the value drivers, like reducing the number of days to close our annual books, which is enabled by automated, highly efficient closing tasks, such as intercompany reconciliation supported by single source of truth. Some of the value drivers include reduced finance costs by enabling automated, highly efficient closing tasks, such as intercompany reconciliation supported by the single source of truth. And this can result in reduced audit costs by leveraging comprehensive audit trails, audit information, and reporting functions. So all these, we're going to see them live in the system, how these value drivers will be demonstrated and how they unlock value. So in terms of the system roles that we're going to focus on today, it's going to be general ledger accountant. Some of the general ledger accountant needs include reconciling accounts, generating financial statements for internal and external stakeholders, clearing open items, and overseeing month and year-end closing processes to accurately reflect the financial position of an organization. Some of the needs include also collaboration with cross-functional teams, auditors, and other stakeholders to ensure a cohesive understanding of the financial data. But what are some of the challenges that most of the general ledger accountants are facing today? It includes managing large volumes of transactions, complex accounting entries, and tight reporting schedules, conveying complex financial information in a clear and understandable manner. That's a big challenge, and that also involves navigating complex accounting treatments and adapting to new standards. So all these challenges, they are addressed by SAP S/4HANA functionalities, and in this course we are going to see how SAP S/4HANA unlocks all those values and addresses the challenges that we're seeing here. So this demo is going to look at various aspects of SAP's financial management capabilities, the financial reporting capabilities, and ensure accurate and complete financial records by facilitating account reconciliation, enabling transactional reviews and validation of data, streamlining of financial close, and minimizing errors in the system, including minimizing fraud risk through the standardization of processes and the controls. So let's get started and see this in action as we get into the system. So I'm already logged into an SAP S4HANA system. As you can see, this is the new feel and look as you log into any S4HANA from S4HANA 2023 SP01. You have this new look with the tasks and situations on top, where you get to know the tasks, which include the workflows that you need to action. And there's a new section, which is a new feature, and which can be customized just to show what you are interested in or your line of service. The pages also is a new feature where you get different pages depending on your role. So these are some of the pages that finance managers have access to. We're going to look at these in detail. And one of my favorite is the favorite applications, where you get to put your favorites and you can put them in folders. And I really like this. And you get to see your most used transactions. So if you have a transaction that you use most of the time, you don't need to memorize it. You just have to go to the most used and you find it there. And sometimes you use a transaction, but you forget what was the transaction code. So that is the problem of the past, because now you get the recently used transactions. And the system also gives you some recommendations on some of the insights, some of the reports that you might need to add to your profile, and transactions that you might need, considering some of the transactions that you use most of the time. So let's get started. Let me just show you the scope of this course. So in this course, we are going to look at accounting and financial close. And as you can see now, you can have a process flow where you group transactions together that supports a certain process. So we're going to have look at master data, how general ledger accountants can interact with master data, and how easy it is now to maintain your chart of accounts, to maintain your financial statement versions, different views, and to also maintain master data like your profit centers and so forth. And we are going to look at data entry, which involves your the posting of general ledgers, the management of general ledgers, including the approval, parking, what we use to call parking and post. We're gonna see what the new terminology that is used in SAP S4HANA with regards to that. And reporting in general, for general ledger, we're going to look at your usual trial balances, your balance sheet, income statement, displaying of line items, displaying account balances from different geo accounts. And accounting and financial close, we're going to look at the currency exchange rates, including the functionalities that are there, which involve the importing of foreign exchange rates, and the taxes, how to deal with tax, and how to import financial plan data, and the general ledger overview, which is my best, and periodic activities for general ledger. That's very important, and we are going to look at some of the those periodic activities that the general ledger accountant would be happy to know that SAP S4HANA provides. So this is the scope of our training. we're going to look at all these areas as shown by this process flow, which is in form of all the applications that we're going to consider, and you see tons and tons of new features that would be covered in all these areas. So yes, this is the introduction, and I'm looking forward to see you in the uh, the different sections of this training, and I hope you're going to enjoy the training.